Hello, everybody, and wish you all a happy Friendship Day. As you all know, on this wonderful occasion, we thought the best thing is why not have a mega medical camp for all our Mumbaikars staying in our Bandra West constituency. So we have organized for you, myself Gauri Chhabria, member Maharashtra State Women Commission. So on behalf of Maharashtra Congress Committee and as well as Mumbai Congress Committee, we have organized this mega medical camp. And here you will find we should thank our Hinduja Hospital team as well as Manraj Pratishta team, as well as we have Mrs. Gupta, who is a special masters in sports physiotherapy, as well as we have Shatayu, who are having the organ donation drive here. We must thank Nagesh Chhabria. Today is his wife's birth anniversary and he has generously donated notebooks for the children, and already 3 groups of children we have already distributed notebooks. And earlier also in Khatwari Darbar also we have distributed. So he has given us 10,000 notebooks which we are distributing in the different parts and for the benefit of all our needy students. We dedicate this camp also to Nisha Chhabria ji. As well as you will see this form of organ donation. Donate organs, save lives. I thought this is one of the best gifts we can do today on the Friendship Day. As well as we have the Finolex group. We must say thank you to Finolex group for giving these raincoats. As you know, this time the monsoons were very heavy and there are a lot of diseases going on, virus, and we see typhoid, we are seeing dengue, malaria, and of course some of them are having COVID also. So we have these raincoats only for the maid servants, security guards, and some rickshaw drivers, really needy laborers. So we are distributing notebooks. We are thankful to Ritu Chhabria as well as Mukul Madhav Foundation, CSR of theirs Finolex. We are also thankful to Gulf Oil. We are also thankful to Nitin Chhabria, who has been generous. So number of the people who are really, we are having a Sushila Narayandas Chhabria Foundation, who has also been helping us to do because we are having 12 camps in lines, not just one. We are very grateful to our Halchal team, Mumbai Halchal team, for covering our press and media coverage, as well as All Star Digital, Riti Chhabria, for covering our social media. So today, being the digital world, it is very easy for us through social media to see that the people come here and take the benefit. I will request all our Bandra Assembly individuals, please come and take the benefit. I am very grateful to our guests here, our dignitaries who have come here, and very much thankful to our leaders, Nana Patole ji, Varsha Gaikwad ji, Vesaiya Sonia Gandhi ji, as well as Rahul Gandhi ji, and all our leaders who have been really supporting us, and through their motivation we have been able to do such wonderful work here and will carry on with all the blessings of our leaders. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
बैंड्रा वेस्ट जैसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी है, यहाँ पे माइनॉरिटी के बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ रहते हैं, तो हमेशा माइनॉरिटीज का साथ देने वाली पार्टी हमारी कांग्रेस पार्टी है, चाहे वो मुस्लिम्स हो, हिंदू हो, सिख हो, जैन हो, पारसी हो, या फिर हमारे दलित भाई हो, या हमारे जो हिंदू भाई भी हैं, हम सबका सम्मान करते हैं। हमारी पार्टी सर्वधर्म समभाव में करती है और ये जो कार्यक्रम हर जगह लगा रहे हैं, किसी कम्युनिटी के लिए नहीं है, किसी कास्ट के लिए नहीं है, सभी लोगों के लिए है। तो इस तरह के कार्यक्रम में आप लोग आइए, इसका फायदा उठाइए और जो लोग अपने लिए काम कर रहे हैं उसका सम्मान करिए, उनको साथ दीजिए। ऐसे में सब लोग यहाँ पे आए, उनको मैं मैं फ्रेंडशिप डे के ऊपर बहुत बड़ी शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। हमारी आपकी दोस्ती बनी रहे कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ, आपकी दोस्ती बनी रहे गौरी जी के साथ, आपकी दोस्ती बनी रहे, हमारी दोस्ती बनी रहे। और श्रावण मास कल से शुरू हो रहा है, उसके लिए सबको मैं शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
मेरी और एक साथी गौरी छाबरिया जी, जो हमारे महाराष्ट्र प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी में तो लीगल सेल में है, तो अभी but she is also the chairperson, and she is also the member of the Women's Commission appointed by the government of Maharashtra, who has organized this program. सबसे पहले मैं शुक्रिया अदा इनको करना चाहता हूँ कि हिंदुजा ग्रुप, फिनोलेक्स को, इस सभी ने जो हम लोग को साथ दिया, जो गौरी जी ने आज अपना कार्यक्रम यहाँ पर लिए। हम शुक्रिया अदा ये भी करना चाहते हैं कि जो रेणुमा जी हमारे बीच में आए हैं और सब तमाम डॉक्टर्स, अटेंडेंट्स और जो पेशेंट्स जो यहाँ पर आए, इन सब का सबसे पहला मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ।
गौरी छाबरिया जी ने जो ये मेडिकल कैंप और बुक्स का ये रखा है, कि आज हमारा पहला प्रोग्राम है ऐसा इंचार्ज बांद्रा वेस्ट। बट ये बहुत अच्छा इन्होंने जो नीडी लोगों के लिए मेडिकल कैंप लगाया है और जो ऑर्गेन डोनेशन का कुछ कर रही हैं, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू हर। और बहुत बड़ी बात है, जो लोगों को नहीं जो अफोर्ड कर सकते वो यहाँ से आकर के मेडिसिन और दवा और जो भी कर सकते हैं ले सकते हैं।
We are having a lot of special tests and medicines, distribution of medicines, eye test, heart, cardiac health, and entire profiling. This is a very good initiative started today, and there are going to be 12 more such camps to be held in our constituency. I hope that most people can come and benefit. It shall be there, be held every Sunday. So please do take advantage of this.
सपनों को हकीकत से मिलाते हैं, महफूज हो सब वो जहां बनाते हैं। हर घर करे तरक्की ऐसा देश बनाते हैं। कांग्रेस के मजबूत हाथ, हम सब भारत के साथ। कांग्रेस के मजबूत हाथ, हम सब भारत के साथ। कांग्रेस के मजबूत हाथ।
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rakesh here from PD Hinduja Hospital, Khar. Today, from the Hinduja Hospital, we organize health camp as a free health camp that will be done by BP, BMI, random blood sugar, Tanita, that is called for the body fat analysis, ECG, and doctor consultation. That will be the free of charge, and it's organized by the Gauri Chhabria madam. I would like to thanks to every man to organize such a wonderful camp. Thank you.
Hi, this is Manoj Nathani, trustee of Mannar's Pratishthan. Today we had organized a free medical camp in association with Mumbai Congress team and the local Bandra organizations over here in this hall. And we were very happy with the arrangements what were done over here. And we would be looking forward to do such type of events and anything required from our end. As a trust, we are always there to help you out, and it was a very fantastic place, and the people over here were very humble and very nice. Keep doing all this work. We are always there with you. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I am Roshni from Hinduja Hospital. So today I have come here for a camp which was organized by Miss Gauri, which was a good camp, and it has been done successfully. So I am thankful to her to organize such a wonderful camp, and it was a good experience for me also to come here and experience this good opportunity. Also, I am from Hinduja Hospital, and my designation there is as nursing officer. Thank you.
So hi everyone, this is Dr. Yashi Gupta over here. I am a physiotherapist, स्पोर्ट्स फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट। सो यहाँ पर एक लगा था एक मेगा कैंप, मेडिकल कैंप, तो उसके अंदर सब अलग अलग लोग आए। तो आई ऑल्सो जॉइन माई सेल्फ एज ए स्पोर्ट्स फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट। तो आई गेव फ्री कंसल्टेशन टू एवरीवन कि आपको कब नी पेन रहता है, जो बैक पेन रहता है, नेक पेन रहता है, वो किस वजह से रहता है। तो बेसिकली वॉट एवर पेन जो आते हैं हमारे लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से आते हैं। व्हेन वी चेंज आवर लाइफस्टाइल, तो वी सी अल्टीमेटली वी आर मेकिंग आवर मसल्स स्ट्रॉन्गर। When sir muscles are stronger with the exercises, you feel there is no pain. So ultimate goal is you have to do exercise regularly and you see there is no pain. Good luck.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Dr. Soumya, and today we are in this camp which is being organized for all the people who are not able to take care of their health properly. So today we have people from PD Hinduja Hospital. Along with that thing, I myself belong from Manraj Pratishthan, which is providing free medicines to all the people who cannot afford it or are not able to take it on time. Along with this thing, I saw in this camp there were a lot of other things which were taken care of. For example, there were people would measuring the BMI of the person, so that there's a vital screening for all your diabetes, for screening for your hypertension, along with that thing screening for obesity. So it was overall very nice, and it was a very amazing thing to attend. I loved it. Thank you so much.
आई एम दीपाली जाधव, आई एम ECG टेक्नीशियन। आज जो मैंने कैम्प अटेंड किया है वो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है लोगों के लिए। बस थैंक यू।
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर विजय विश्वकर्मा है। मैं PD हिंदुजा खार से आया हूँ और हम लोग ने कैंप का ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। ECG, BP मॉनिटर, ब्लड शुगर और फ्री कंसल्टेशन। थैंक यू।
Hello, my name is Manoj Sharma and I am from Baba Hospital, Kutla, and I am doing a thyroid test for patients to know that they are how their hormones are working. And thyroid is a test in the blood which release your hormone. Their symptoms are dry skin, tiredness, and weight gain.
Hi, my name is Aishwarya Venkatekar. I'm here for nursing work, and I'm just checking height and weight, and I'm happy to work here, and I like the experience.
It was a pleasure hosting this event for the medical fraternity in the outreach program for Bandra. We hope it happens more often and can create a mass appeal for all citizens, all age groups and all financial backgrounds.
कांग्रेस की इस मजबूत एकजुट टीम का सिर्फ एकमात्र लक्ष्य है भारत के मेहनतकश लोगों को सम्मान, अवसर, रोजगार, सुरक्षा और अधिकार के बल पर दिलाएं एक चैन भरी जिंदगी।
कांग्रेस के मजबूत हाथ, हम सब भारत के साथ। कांग्रेस के मजबूत हाथ,
हर हाथ शक्ति, हर हाथ तरक्की।